Okay, if your screen is blinking very fast and can't restart the machine, now we pay attention to these components. Okay, we find out here. Okay, nearby the power input. Yeah, nearby the power input. Here, these components. We need to use this device, and use the solder stick. Yeah, we make this. Yeah, these 2 points. Yeah, this one and this one. Yeah, connect directly. Okay, if you have these components, you can replace it. Yeah, but if you haven't, you can use this solder stick. Yeah, connect together. Understand? Show the circuit. Connect directly. Okay. Thank you.